try to smooth me. You can try to smooth me. You can try to smooth me.
How was he a UwU cat even though he was a girl the whole time? Don't ask me questions I don't even know.
Not the baby.
Hi everyone, this may be a voice review because I did some voice lines for my characters, and this is the original because no one did both, I think. So yeah, I think this is the original. So yeah, I hope this enjoy this video. Goodbye.
My kink, what the fuck else did you think? Fuck a princess, I'm a king. Bow down and kiss him a ring. It's gonna hurt, it'll sting. Spitting up blood in the sink. I'm crazy, but you like that.